Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by joining the preview so you can access early builds. Install the Xbox Insider Hub app and sign in with the account you use for Minecraft. Once done, locate the Minecraft preview entry and opt into the correct ring. This enrolls your console to receive preview builds. Make sure you accept any terms. This is required for test releases. Doing this first lets you download the preview package when it appears in the store, avoiding delays later. Once enrolled, open the Microsoft Store and download the Minecraft preview app that appears for your profile. You might need to free up about 1 to 2 GB of storage for temporary files and updates. Make room now so the install doesn't fail. Before launching, back up your existing worlds, use realms or export saves to external storage, because preview builds can change world data. Also, allow the app to install updates and optional content. Delays often come from pending downloads. You're ready to launch the preview? Open it and immediately load a copied world so your original saves stay safe. Test new features for a few minutes and reproduce any bugs you find. When you encounter issues, use the Xbox Insider Hub to file a bug report with steps and screenshots. That helps developers fix things faster. If the preview crashes or behaves oddly, clear the cache, verify enrollment, and reinstall the preview app. This often resolves lingering corruption or update glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.